Hello everyone, welcome to this very brief video lecture in respect of F8 Audit and Assurance and looking at the examiner's comments regarding the June 13 paper. Okay, so this is basically focusing on question 2, which is a 10-mark question, taking at 1.8 minutes a mark, and it should take 18 minutes to answer this question, and cover the topics of ethical threats, going concern, and emphasis on matter paragraphs. Okay, so part A was for 5 marks. It required candidates to list 5 ethical threats and to identify an example of circumstances that created each of these threats. It's actually answered very well. So candidates were able to competently list the 5 threats of self-interest, self-review, familiarity, intimidation, and advocacy. However, a small number of candidates did provide fundamental principles rather than ethical threats. Therefore, the key point from this is to actually answer the question that's been posed. Part B then was for 3 marks and required an explanation of the auditor's and management's responsibilities in respect of going concern. So, auditor's responsibilities in respect of going concern is governed by ISA 570. And what this says is that the auditor should get sufficient appropriate audit evidence that will back up management assumptions that the accounts are prepared on a going concern basis. Management, on the other hand, have to assess the entity and to assure themselves that it is a going concern and draw up accounts on that basis. However, in this paper, some candidates wasted time by listing definitions of going concern and audit techniques in terms of auditing going concern. However, you need to focus on what is being asked here. What is actually being asked is to explain auditors and management responsibilities. Part C then is for 2 marks and required a description of the contents of an emphasis on matter paragraph. And this, the performance in this question was actually quite mixed because a number of candidates didn't actually understand what an emphasis on matter paragraph actually is. So what an emphasis on matter paragraph does is that it modifies the audit report, but it doesn't modify the audit opinion, which is a key concept. So it's not actually a qualification of the audit opinion. What an emphasis on matter paragraph is that it draws attention to information in the financial statements. And what it does, it highlights this information because this information will be so fundamental for the readers of financial statements to understand. And a topical aspect of this at the moment is that of going concern. Is that it's a very common theme to look at emphasis on matter paragraphs which refer to the going concern of the entity. Therefore, it actually quite neatly ties in to part B of the question. Okay, so thanks for listening to this very short video lecture. Hopefully it's given you a couple of pointers and all the best for your studies.